Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to save a search in File Explorer for viewing at a later time. So if there's a specific path that you want to go ahead and search up in the future, you don't have to go navigate through File Explorer every time you want to access it. And perhaps you don't want to create a shortcut for it either, like in the truest sense of the form, like a desktop shortcut that'll link you directly to a folder. This tutorial will be for you. So we're going to start by just opening up File Explorer here, and we're just going to go ahead and open that up just to create an example here. Let's go underneath our computer. Let's just go underneath some random stuff. So now that you're here, let's say you want to search something, so just start typing in something in this field over here on the left side, and then just select the little arrow cursor to the right to search this page. And now you see there's a search tab that appears, so go ahead and select that and then select the save search. So save the search criteria as saved search, and then you can just go ahead and save this somewhere on your computer, and let's just say desktop or something like that, and then save that and close out of here. Now if you double click on this, it should open up that same location that you did that search for, so it'll not only open up the folder, but also will do the search contents of the folder with whatever the search parameters that you dictated earlier. So kind of neat little feature there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.